Hi everyone, welcome to PR Academy. Today we discuss the matrices. It is easy and important. Here, matrices. So matrices is a mode of representing the data to easy calculation. The definition of a matrix is: a matrix is an order, a rectangular array of numbers or functions. So for matrix we will use the big bracket. Use the big bracket. Write the elements or numbers or functions. For example, you take here these are the real numbers or complex numbers. That is 2 plus I, 3 minus 1 by 2, 3.5 minus 1, 2, root 3, 5, 7. Here these are called rows, horizontal. These are horizontal. First row and second row and third row. Here these are called verticals, vertical lines. So these are called columns. This is the first column and second column and third column. For example, this is the data of the students. Suppose X student got 2 marks, suppose 20 marks, Y student got 40 marks, and the other student got 50 marks. We can write this data like this in matrices. That is row 1, row 2, row 3, or in write in columns also. If you write in the columns, that is A, that is 20. Suppose X student has 20 marks, 30 marks, and 40 marks like this. X, Y, Z. Here rows 3 by 3 matrix is M equal to N. Here M is called 3 by 3, it is M by N. It is rows and it is columns. So these are the numbers. A matrix is an order, a rectangular array of numbers. Rectangular array of numbers are functions. These are the functions. 2 plus x, x square, sin x, cos x, cot x. These are the functions. So here column 1, column 2, column 3. Here 2 by 3, here M not equal to N. Here M for rows and N for columns. Here order of a matrix. A matrix having M rows and N columns is called a matrix of order M by N. For example, say here let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A so on, Az, so on, A1N. Here next row A21, A22, A23, so on, A2J, so on, A2N. Here third row A31, A32, A33, A3J, so on, A3N, so on. Next I row here, that is AI1, AI2, AI3, Aij, so on, AN. Here M rows AM1, AM2, AM3, AMJ, so on, AM by N. If you take like this is M rows. If you take like this N columns. See here A columns 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, second column, third column, Jth column and Nth column. So it is M by N matrix. So first we have write the rows and second we have write the columns. So M rows and N columns in this one. So number of elements in this one. Here M into N elements. For example, 2 by 2 you take here. This is 2 by 2 you take here. How many elements here? 2 into 2. 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay? 3 by 3. That is 9 elements here. Here, see here, types of matrices. Types of matrices. If M equal to N, it is called a, see here, this is 3 by, M equal to N means 3 by 3 matrix. Here 3 rows and 3 columns, then it is called square matrix. Here M not equal to N, you observe here M not equal to N. Here 2 rows and 3 columns. So then it is called what here? A rectangular matrix. Next N equal to 1. See, observe here N equal to 1. Here N equal to 1. Here it is what here? A column matrix. N equal to 1 it is. Observe this one. N equal to 1. N equal to 1 means it is column matrix. Here m equal to 1. M equal to 1 means here, see here, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on, 1 here. Here. So, here, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on. Here, m equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So, it is called what here? It is a row matrix. For example, see here, 1, 3, 5, it is 1 by 3 matrix. For column matrix, in vertical write down this 1, 3, 5, it is 3 by 1 matrix. Here, how many rows? One row, second row, and third row. Here, one column. So, it is 3 by 1 matrix. Next here, Aij equal 0. For example, you take here 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. In this one, Aij equal 0. When I not equal to j. I not equal to j means, you observe here, I not equal to j means 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 2, 1, and 2, 3, and 3, 1, 3, 3. These are 0, except, what here? Except I equal to j. I equal to j means here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. I equal to j means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So, it is what here? It is a constant value. It is a k, or 2, or 3, or any value. It is a constant, it is a fixed here. If suppose if it is 2, you are write here 2, you are write here 2. If it is k, you are write k. Other than this diagonal elements, remaining all are 0, then it is called a scalar matrix. It is called a scalar matrix. Here Aij equal 0. Suppose you take this is 3 by 3 matrix. Here all are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then it is called a null matrix. For example, see here, first row elements are 0, and second row elements are 0, and third row elements are 0. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Here, next seventh one, Aij equal 0 and I not equal 0. I not equal j. Here, Aij equal 0 when I not equal j. I not equal j means here 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 2, 1, and 2, 3, 3, 1, here 3, 1, here 3, 2. These are 0. These are all zeros. It is called. So this diagonal matrix is any element here. It may be a, it is not fixed here. For scalar matrix here it is fixed. Suppose it is k, these are all k. So it may be any value here in this diagonal element. Suppose it is 1, it is 2, it is 3 also. For example, see here, for diagonal elements, here 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. You observe here, sometimes he is asking for scalar matrix or diagonal matrix in MSET. So here A is equal 0, I not equal 0, and A is equal to k, then I equal j. Which matrix? Dash matrix is asking. Scalar matrix, null matrix, unit matrix, diagonal matrix. He is asking like this here. Here, so scalar matrix means here k 0 0 0 k 0 0 0 k. You observe in this one. Here in this one diagonal elements are same. Here diagonal elements are different. So for different scalar matrix, diagonal matrix. Here next one, Aij equal 0, I not equal j. If I equal j, then it is 1. You observe I equal j means here 1 1 and 2 2 and 3 3. So it is what here 1. It is 1. So remaining all are zeros. 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is what here identity matrix. So Aij equal 1. You observe here. Here when I equal j, it is 1 1. It is 2 2. It is 3 3. So it is what here identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. Here next one, equal matrices. Equal matrices Aij equal to Bij. Element in A is equal to the corresponding elements in B. So that is equal matrices. So it has a, if it is defined only when it is as the same order. So if it is the same order, then it is called, it is a equal matrices. Here, next, lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix is here I less than j. So j values are greater. Here j values are greater. I less than j. See here, I less than j. J values are greater and I values are smaller. In this one, observe here, I values are smaller. You observe here 1 and 1. Next a lower triangular matrix, that is 1 0 0 2 3 0 4 5 6. So it is nothing but what here? A 1 1. Here A 1 1. When I less than j, remaining all are 0. I less than j, all are 0 here. Here 1 1. I less than j means here j is greater. So this one is what here? 0. And this one is what here? 0. So next what, suppose this is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So here j is greater. This value is 0. It is 3 1, 3 2. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So what are the zeros here? 1 2, 1 3, 2 3. These are zeros. So for example, see here, that is 1 0 0 or 2 3 0 4 5 6. So it is the lower triangle. Lower triangle. It is lower triangle. So above the lower triangle elements are 0 0 0 0 0. So it is called what here? Lower triangular matrix. Here next one, upper triangular matrix. Yeah, upper triangular matrix means I greater than j. So I values are greater. So I means here 2 2, here 2 2, 2 1 and 3 1. Next 3 2. These are 0. Here remaining same right on here. See here, for example, see here a11 equal to I am taking here 1. Here a12 equal to I am taking here 2, and a13 equal to 3. Here I is greater. So this value is what here? 0. 3 is greater. This value is 0. And 3 2. 3 is greater. This value is 0. Remaining, suppose any elements you take here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remaining values are 0. You observe here. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. Upper triangle. So below the elements 0 0 0. So it is called what here? Upper triangular matrix. Next, transpose of a matrix. So interchange the rows and columns. Suppose A equal to Aij, then it is denoted by A dash or A transpose. So it equal to Ij, interchanging the rows, and Ij, interchanging means Ji. So A transpose is what here? Aji. We are interchanging the rows and columns, then it is called a transpose of a matrix. For example, see here A equal to 1 2 3 or 2 0 5. Interchanging the rows here. Rows 1 2 3. Rows to the columns here. 1 2 3 become row will become a column. That is 1 2 3. 2 0 5 is second column. 2 0 5. Then it is a transpose of A. So if A equal to 1 2 3 2 0 5, A transpose we can write here 1 2 2 0 3 5. Here some important points written here in transpose matrix here. A transpose whole transpose is what here? A. Ka whole transpose equal K is a constant, that is K into A transpose. And third one, minus A whole transpose is minus of A transpose. And fourth one, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Here next one, here symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is A transpose equal to A, then it is called symmetric matrix. And skew symmetric matrix is A transpose equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. Here A equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. So here A plus A transpose by 2 is symmetric, and A minus A transpose by 2 is 2. A transpose by 2 is skew symmetric. Sometimes he is asking A equal to P plus Q, then Q is equal to what? He is asking like this. Then Q equal to take here A minus A transpose by 2 you take here. So that is that using the skew symmetric, the A minus A transpose by 2, then we can find the Q value. Here next one, trace of a matrix A. Here trace of a matrix A means sum of the elements of the diagonal. Sum of the elements of the diagonal. So that is sum of elements of a principal diagonal elements. It is called a trace of matrix A. It is denoted by trace of A. This is the introduction of the first part. Next we'll discuss the some previous problems. Here A equal to A is a m by n. Here I lies between 1 to m. That is 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to m. Here 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to n. Here rows and this is the columns. We have tried the first rows and second one columns. There are some previous questions we are discussing here. Here, first one, a square matrix. A square matrix Aij for which A is equal 0, A is equal 0, for I not equal to j, and A is equal to k. A is equal to k. K is what here? Constant. For I equal to j, it is for I equal to j. I equal to j is there, is called A. Here options given: unit matrix. Second one, scalar matrix. Third one, null matrix. And fourth one, diagonal matrix. Yeah, now only we discussed here the definitions. Unit matrix, for example, here A is A. It is what here? When I equal to it is 1. So that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here what here? A is equal to K. When I equal to J. So that is, for example, you take it K 0, 0, 0, K 0, 0, 0, K. And null matrix, now when we discussed, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And diagonal matrix, here 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. We know that. Now see the a square matrix Aij, for which Aij equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Here I not equal to j. So these are all I not equal to j, all are zeros. But next Aij equal to k for I equal to j. Aij equal to k means what is here? Constant other than 1. Other than 1. It may be a 2 or 3 or 4 or it is k. What is the values here? K. If it is k equal 1, it is a unit matrix. Other than 1, so it is what here? Scalar matrix. So which are null matrix means all are 0. Diagonal matrix means here diagonal elements here it may be not constant, that is 1, 2, 3 here. So which option is correct here? Scalar matrix. So it is called, it is a scalar matrix. Second one, if A equal to 1, 1, 0, 1 and I equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the 2 by 2 matrices. Then for n greater than or equal to 1. Then for n greater than or equal to 1, mathematical induction gives options given. For example, option 1, verify the options here. A power n equal to na minus n minus 1 into I. First we will verify the first option here. Verify the first option here. Here a power n, LHS and RHS. If it is both are equal, so first option is correct here. So a equal to what is given? 1101 given, and a square equal to I am taking here a into a, that is 1101 into 110. So in product of the matrices we can take here rows and first column, first row, first column, next here first row and second column, next second row, first column, second row, second column, multiply like this here. So here we can multiply this is first row multiply with first column, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1, next plus 1 into 0 is 0, next second column you take here 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, next you take the second row, right here at the second row, it is second row you take the first column multiply 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0 is 0, next second column 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So what about this one here? 1, 2, 0, 1. 1, 2, 0, 1. A cube we take here. A cube equal to a square into a. That is a square is what here? 1, 2, 0, 1 into a. Into a is 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is multiply here. Same row and column. Next first row and second column. Here 1 into 1, 1. Next 2 into 0, 0. Next 1 into 1, 1. Next 2 into 1, 2. Next yeah, 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Next 0 into 1, 0. Next yeah, 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1. So here you observe here, what is here? What you are observing here? 1, 3, 0, 1. Suppose a square, a power 1, a power 1 means this value is 1. What, which elements are changing here? This a1, 2 elements are changing here. If it is 2, you are writing here, what is here? 2, n equal to. If it is 3, what is right here? What is the value here? 3. So on. I am taking here a power n in place of here 3, you are right here, that is 1 n 0 1. This is a power n, LHS. Next RHS you take here na minus n minus 1 into I. So na here n multiply with what here? A. So n into 1 n, next n 0 n, next minus n minus 1 into I. n minus 1 into I means identity means in place of 1 n minus 1 write down remaining zeros. That is n minus 1 0 0 n minus. Now subtract this 2. Subtract the corresponding elements here. So here n minus of n minus, that is 1. This is how much here? 1. Next n plus n minus 0 is n. So it is what here? 1 n. 0 minus 0 0. Next n minus, so it is how much here? 1. So it is what here? Equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So it is LHS. LHS is what here? 1 n 0 1. So which option is verified here? Option. So a power n equal to n into a minus n minus 1 into I. Next problem. Third one. If a power 20 equal to ABCD where a equal to 1102. Then a plus b plus c plus d is equal to dash. First option 2 power 21. Second option 2 power 22. And third option 2 power 19. Fourth option and 2 power 20. Right. Here a, what is a here? A power 20 is asking here. First a equal to take here. A equal to what here? 1101. Next a square equal to I am taking here. A into a, that is 1102. 1102. This is how much here? 1. 1 plus 0. Next 1 plus 2. Next 0 into 1 0. 2 into 0 0. Next 0 into 1 0. And 2 into 2. Yeah. 0 into 1 0. 2 into 2 how much here? 4. That is 2 square. This how much here? 2 square. So this equal to, we can write here 1 1 plus 2 0 2 square. Next a cube write down here. A square into a, that is a square is what here? 1 1 plus 2 0 2 square. So a is 0 1 0 2. Now multiply 1 into here 1 1 0. Now multiply the rows columns. 1 into 1 1. Next 1 plus 2 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 plus 2. Next 1 into 1 1. Next 2 into 1 plus 2. Next second row 0 plus 0. Next 0 plus 2 square into 2 what here? 2 cube. Now once we observe here, this is equal to 1 1 plus 2 plus 2 square is what here? 4. Here 0, it is what here? 2. You observe here, which values are changing here? Here A12 changing here, A22 changing here. So suppose this is equal to I am taking here 1, this is Sn, suppose 0, this is Pn equal to I am taking here. Sn equal to what here? Sn equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So 2 by 1 2, 4 by 2 is T2 by T1, Tn minus 1 by Tn by Tn minus 1. So it is constant. The series is what here? Gp. The series is Gp. So Sn equal formula A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A is what here? First term is 1. R is what here? T2 by T1 2. That is 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is how much here? 2 power n minus 1. So what is Pn here? Pn equal to P cube, P3 equal to 2 cube, Pn equal to 2 power. Therefore, what we have find out here? A power 20. First I am taking here A power n I am taking here. A power n equal to 1 Sn 0 Pn. So it is how much here? Sn is what here? 1 2 power n minus 1. Next 2 power n minus 1 0. So it is 2 power n. So what we will find it? A power 20. Put n equal to 20 substitute here. N equal to 20 substitute here. Then it is A power 20 equal to A power 20 means it is 1